Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you about Babel. Babel is a compiler to work in NodeJs application. Here we have a NodeJs server, and we have some of the basic command here, and I want to use Babel to run the code and debug the code. We have a server, and we call the create server to respond to your clients about the request URL and respond and listen port. We have a support to listen. Now I use the save dev. The save dev to install. It means that this module is used for development only. So in we have development and we have production stage, and Babel command line interface, CRE mean command line interface. And what a little bit we see that our Babel command line interface after the is the version of Babel command line interface. Then we install the preset, some of the preset to the preset mean the library of Babel, the plugins of Babel. So we have a preset for ECMA script 6 or the stage 2. Then I can see that it is successful when it shows to the screen that the Babel preset ECMA script 6. Then I open the package.json. I see I add more script for start. It is a start script. Then it calls the Babel node, not NodeJs but Babel node. Then it uses the preset. The preset means the Babel library. The Babel library means ES6, and I can call it by npm start. The start string here, it is the start string. Then you run this. It is okay because it so the server is running on the port. And this is node monitor. This is node monitor. It will monitor the NodeJs program when the code is changed. After the code is changed, the result also display also. So we have a node monitor, a node monitor of version. This is a version of node monitor after the character. And then we have here the node mod and some of the library and the preset. So if I want to run node mom, I replace the Babel node with node mom. Then I change it to start. Then goes to start here. It will call the node index.js through node monitor. Then Babel node with the preset of ECMA script 6. So we call here by npm start. We see that this is the start. Here is the start is this string. Then npm start, I can see that the server is running at port. Then if I add more code here, you can see that it will show to the screen. If you change a little bit for I am fine and Ctrl S to save the file, and I can see that it update automatically in real time. And I change this to hello, okay, and the hello display here. So if I change a little bit more AA, for example AA, and this is that AA server is running on port. Okay, so it is node monitor or node mom. I list on the file in the directory, and this is the main file index.js, and I create a file source, a directory source, and move this file to source, and I list here So the main file is now inside the source folder. Then I list the source folder. I see that the index.js, and I add more line code. The first is the start, then the build, the source. D is a directory, the output directory, and the output directory is a distribution directory. Then the input is a src, and the output here, and I use the preset of ECMA scripts 6. Then another script is a server script. The server script will run the index.js in the folder distribution. Then I run npm run build, and it is successful because it built to the distribution. I list all, and I see the distribution folder here. Then I clear, then list the distribution. So my new file, my output file for distribution is in the index.js, and it will run here. So I can run the server, npm run server. I see that it will run the NodeJs file in distribution folder. So I create a new file, Babel RC, or Babel RC is a file for setting the options of Babel. And I open this file and set some of my option here. The first is the preset. I have a preset, two preset, and I add into an array. And we have a plugin, and if you have plugin, I can add more plugin to here. So I remove this because it is not necessary. It will call to the Babel RC, accept this, and I remove this line, not necessary. And the code now is inside the source, so I change it to source because my main file is now in the source, and delete this preset, and I run npm start. So the output is okay. This is the output, and I can also run the npm run build for building the application. Then after run build, the application is built. So it is in the distribution folder, and the path here, you remember that using this file you want to add Babel setting to your project. Thank you very much. This is the end of my lesson today. Please subscribe for my channel for exciting video. Bye bye.